Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. So, I was thinking, and this may be a crazy idea, or crazy fan theory, but hear me out. Just hear me out. In Angel, Wolfaman and Hart are the big bads, right? What if Wolfaman Hart is roxxon? Think about it. We know roxxon is a big corporation. It's like, it's bigger than Disney, right? In the MCU, roxxon has their hands in everything. And there's this line in Angel Season 2, we have been here from the beginning. And my theory is that roxxon is Wolfaman Hart, and Wolfaman Hart is roxxon. Think about it. Angel, the entire series is Angel battling Wolfaman Hart in pretty much every episode, right? What if Wolfaman Hart is the same company who has their hands in everything? And that is roxxon. Roxxon has freaking roxxon has freaking shopping supermarkets, stores, like has like Bed Bath and Beyond places. It has like it deals with energy. They have their hands in food, random stuff like maybe toys, money, banking, the FDA, the government, and maybe, just maybe, let's go even deeper in this crazy fan theory. What if Wolfaman Hart is roxxon and roxxon is Hydra, and Hydra is owned and created and run by aliens? I think I just broke my brain with this theory, but it's an interesting thing. What if, oh, no, wait. What if, even better, what if one of the evil parents of said, of roxxon in what, maybe, just maybe, one of the descendants of the evil parents in the Runaways owns and runs and created roxxon from another planet because that resource of that world's resources ran out and blew up or something, and they came here in like in the dawn of man, and they came out with different forms before it was Hydra, and when it was Hydra, or when they created the name of Hydra, roxxon was born. And they were supplying and wheeling and dealing, and they eventually at some point founded wolfaman and Hart to keep the monster mutants in place and rule the the underground monster mutants. I don't know. I'm going all over the board here, but I don't know. I just thought of this theory, and it's fascinating that when Angel took a trip to the home office, one of the people said, "You think..." I forget the line, but like, he generally said, "We've been here since the very beginning. We've been pulling all the strings. We've been we've been manipulating people, monsters, demons, angels, all the supernatural and paranormal beings in place, and we've been manipulating monstrous mutants. We've been manipulating the whole mutant race. We've been manipulating mankind from the very beginning." So it would make sense that wolfaman Hart is roxxon, and roxxon is wolfaman Hart. In theory. Color me insane, but that's what I'm going with. If you want to comment your thoughts, let me know. But I just thought it was something to think about, or it's just something I thought about randomly, and I was like, maybe I should share this. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys so far for right now. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye.